Hello students, I am going to continue with exercise 15.1. Question number 3. For an experiment in botany, two different plants, plant A and plant B, were grown under similar laboratory conditions. Their heights were measured at the end of each week for 3 weeks. The results are shown by the following graph. The graph is given, okay? Plant A and plant B, two plants are given in the graph. These are weeks and these are height in centimeter. Their heights, we have to measure their heights, okay? We have to measure their heights. So first question is given, how high was plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks? So we have to find the height, okay, of plant A after 2 weeks and 3 weeks. So 2 weeks, plant A. This dotted lines is for plant A and this line is for plant B. So 2 weeks. 2 weeks means this one, right? This, and it will move in height. So it will be 7 centimeter. Okay, it will be high how much? 7 centimeter. Why? Because 6, then it comes 7, then 8. So 7 centimeter. And after 3 weeks, this one, right? So it will be 9 centimeter. So solution, the plant A was 7 centimeter high and plant A only after 2 weeks was, how much we got? 9 centimeter high. Now next question number B. How high was plant B after 2 weeks and after 3 weeks? So graph plant B now, okay, after 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, plants high, okay, same 7 centimeter, and after 3 weeks, plant high, okay, after 3 weeks, plant B high is 10 centimeter. You can see plant B, okay, this one is plant B. So after 2 weeks, it's 7 centimeter, and after 3 weeks, it's 10 centimeter. So solution, after 2 weeks, the plant B was 7 centimeter high, and after 3 weeks, the plant B was 10 centimeter high. So this is solution number B. Now question number C. How much did plant A grow during the 3rd weeks? Okay, how much did plant A grow during the 3rd week? So it will check from graph. This is 3rd week, right? And this is 2nd week. So it's from means from 7 centimeter to 9 centimeter it grew. Okay, during 3rd week. So solution will be, during the 3rd week the plant A grew 2 centimeter. How? Solution, during the 3rd week, the plant A grew 9 centimeter minus 7 centimeter. So it will be 2 centimeter. This is the solution number C. Now number D. How much did plant B grow from the end of the 2nd week to the end of the 3rd week? Okay. How much did plant B grow from the end of the 2nd week to the end of the 3rd week? So we'll check the solution from the graph. So how much did plant B grow from the end of the second week to the end of the third week? So from plant B, okay. So from second week it's 7 centimeter and it's grow till 10 centimeter, right? So from 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter, it's mean 3 centimeter it grow from second week to third week. So solution, during the solution, the plant B 10 centimeter to 7 centimeter from second week to third week. So answer will be 3 centimeter. Therefore 3 centimeter from the end of second week to the end of the third week. This is the solution number D. The plant B grow 10 centimeter to 7 centimeter, right? So 3 centimeter it grow from second week to third week. During which week did plant A grow most? So we'll check from the graph. Most from plant A. So first week, right, this one. So plant A is this one, this dotted line. So from 0 to 2 centimeter, okay, from 0 centimeter to 2 centimeter. Then second week it grow from 2 centimeter to 7 centimeter. And then third week it grow from 7 centimeter to 9 centimeter, right? So how we'll get the answer? Solution, the growth of the plant A during first week. During first week is 2 centimeter to 0 centimeter. So answer will be 2 centimeter. During second week, it's 7 centimeter, 2 centimeter means 2 centimeter to 7. So it will be 7 minus 2 is 5 centimeter. During third week, it grow from 7 centimeter to 9 centimeter. So 9 minus 7 is 2 centimeter. So now you can say which week it grow most. So it will be second week, right? 5 centimeter. Thus, during the second week, the plant A most. This is solution number E. Now question number F. During which week did plant B grow least? Means less, okay? This one, right? This line. So from 0 to 1 centimeter first week, right? It grow. Then second week it grow from 1 centimeter to 7 centimeter. You can check from 1 centimeter to 7 centimeter. Okay, how 1 centimeter? This one, right? And then 7 centimeters, this one. And then third week from 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter. Okay, 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter. Solution: the growth of the plant B. The growth of the plant B during first week. It grew how much? During first week it's 1 centimeter minus 0 centimeter. So it will be 1 centimeter. During second week 7 centimeter minus 1 centimeter. So how much? 6 centimeter. During third week from 7 centimeter to 10 centimeter. So it will be 3 centimeter. Now you check. It grow which week? Least. Okay, least. During a plant B grow least in which week? So it will be 1 centimeter. Thus, the plant B were the plant B, sorry, you the least in the first week. In which week? In the first week it's 1 centimeter. So this is solution number F. Now question number G, the last question. Where the two plants of the same height during any week shown here. Where the two plants, question is asking where the two plants shown the same height during any week. Okay, plant A and B like shown any, same height during any week. So we'll check from the graph. So if we see check first week, no. It's 1 centimeter plant B and plant A is 2 centimeter. In second week, yes, it's shown, right. In second week, yes, plant A also is 7 centimeter and plant B also is 7 centimeter. But if we'll check in third week, no. Plant A is 9 centimeter and plant B is 10 centimeter. So in which week it's shown? Second week. Okay. So solution, both the plants have shown almost the same height at the end of the second week. Okay. Both the plants have shown almost the same height at the end of the second week. So this is solution number G. I hope students, all of you understand. If there is any queries or doubt, please ask. Homework.